we have our January giveaway items. And we're going to call the winners right now.
This is Jake.
Hey, Jake, what's up, man? It's Brad at Lumpkin.
Hey, what's going on, bro?
What's going on, man? How you doing?
Oh, living the dream, brother. Living the dream.
How's your Monday started? Pretty good?
It's actually pretty sickly at the house right now. But what's going on?
Oh my God! I hope I can make you feel better by. Congratulations, sir. The month of January, we were giving away a drone, and congratulations, you're the winner.
Oh my goodness. What a time to be alive.
Well, we sure appreciate your business. And man, we're sure happy to announce that you're the winner, brother. Just want to thank you again and congratulations.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Brad.
All right, brother. You have a good day, man.
All right, you too. Talk to you.
See you. And that's how it's done. And it's time to call winner number 2.
Yes.
Hey, it's Brad with Lumpkin Hose Repair. How you doing?
Hey, I'm doing well. How are you, sir?
I'm doing well. I just wanted to call and check and see how that hose is working out for you.
Man, it's doing great. All of them are. We appreciate it.
Well, we certainly appreciate your business, man, and I hope you're having a good Monday because it's just about to get better.
Uh-oh. What's that?
Congratulations, man. You are winner of the January monthly giveaway. This month it was a remote controlled drone. Comes with 3 batteries, carrying case, extra pieces, parts. Just wanted to call and send a big congratulations to you.
Well, man, I appreciate that. That is awesome. You just made my day. Hell, you made my week. That's great.
Fantastic, man. And we certainly appreciate the business. Thanks and have a great day, man.
All right. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Thanks again to Jake and Ryan for trusting Lumpkin with their hydraulic hose needs, and congrats on winning the January giveaway. Now, if you'd like your chance to win, all you have to do is stop in our shop located in Cumming, Georgia, or give us a call and request on-site service. Simple as that. If you're ever curious about what Lumpkin's giving away for the month, head on over to www.atlantahoserepair.com and check it out. And remember, Lumpkin keeps you up and running.